Hello students, welcome to BDS Canon classes. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about classification of ether and their nomenclature. Okay, let's be see classification of ether. Okay, तो बेटा पहले हम क्या देखेंगे students? First of all, we see the classification of ether. Dear students, ethers are classified in following two categories. Number one, symmetrical ether. Number one, symmetrical ether. Symmetrical ether. Number two, unsymmetrical ether. Symmetrical ether. Okay, let's be see what is the symmetrical ether. Dear students, first of all I want to tell you that what is ether. Okay, the molecular formula of ether is ROR. Okay, where R is a alkyl group and O bond O is a ether group. Okay, so this is the molecular formula of the ether. Dear students, if ether group contains two similar alkyl group, one on either side, then it is called as symmetrical ether. यदि ईथर के दोनों तरफ दो समान एल्किल ग्रुप लगे हों तो उन्हें हम क्या बोलेंगे? सिमेट्रिकल ईथर बोलेंगे. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल CH3O CH3OR C2H5O C2H5. These are the symmetrical ether because in this ether there is a two similar alkyl groups. Okay, तो ऐसा ether जो दो similar alkyl group को contain किया हो, रखता हो, that is called as symmetrical ether. Okay, next is a asymmetrical ether. A unsymmetrical ether. Okay, unsymmetrical ether. Okay, the ether that contains the different alkyl groups called as unsymmetrical ether. ऐसा ether जो दो भिन्न alkyl group, जिसके पास दो भिन्न alkyl group हों, क्या कहलाता है? अनसिमेट्रिकल ether कहलाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल CH3O C2H5. So dear students, you can see that this ether contains one methyl group, methyl, and second alkyl is ethyl. So it has two different alkyl groups. So the ether that have two different alkyl groups called as unsymmetrical ether, asymmetric ether. Okay, so this is the classification of the ether. Okay, ethers are two type. Okay, symmetrical and unsymmetrical. Symmetrical ether contains two similar alkyl groups and unsymmetrical ether contains different alkyl groups. Okay, let's we see the nomenclature of ether. Nomenclature of ether. ether का नामकरण. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we see the common name. Okay, common name. Common name. Dear students, the common name of ether is derived from alkyl over aryl group written separately in alphabetic form. If these two alkyl over aryl groups are similar, then we add prefix di. Means what? हम ईथर के कॉमन नेम को एल्किल या एरिल ग्रुप के अल्फ़ाबेट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं। यदि एल्किल और एरिल ग्रुप के अल्फ़ाबेट फॉर्म में अलग अलग लिखते हैं, यदि ईथर के साथ ऐड करके, यदि दो सिमिलर एल्किल या एरिल ग्रुप एक साथ मौजूद हैं तो हम वहाँ पर प्रीफिक्स डाई यूज करते हैं। लेट्स बी सी CH3O CH3O C2H5. The common name of this ether is dimethyl ether. Okay, dimethyl ether. Why? Because this ether contain two similar alkyl group, that is a methyl. So we can write it 1 to dimethyl ether, and this is the ethyl methyl ether. और एक क्या है? एथिल मेथिल ईथर है। इसके पास दो डिफरेंट एल्किल ग्रुप्स हैं। सो इफ एंड आई टोल्ड यू दैट if ether contains two different groups, alkyl groups, then we write its name separately in alphabetic form. So in alphabetic ethyl is come firstly, so we write the ethyl methyl ether. हम सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? इसको अल्फाबेट फॉर्म में लिखते हैं। एथिल, नेक्स्ट मेथिल, देन ईथर, एथिल मेथिल ईथर. दिस इज द कॉमन नेम ऑफ दिस ईथर. ओके, लेट्स बी सी अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ ether, that is C6H5O CH3. Okay, the common name of this ether is methyl फेनिल ईथर. ओके, इसका कॉमन नेम क्या होगा? मेथिल फेनिल ईथर. ओके, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज CH3 CH2O CH3 CH3. What is the common name of this ether? You know that, dear students, this is the isoform. Okay, so we write its common name is ethyl isobutyl ether. Okay, ethyl isobutyl ether. This is the common name of this ether. Okay, let's be see the IUPAC nomenclature of the ether. Okay, IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC naming. Okay, IUPAC naming. Dear students, in IUPAC naming, we write the IUPAC naming of the ether in form of alkoxyalkane. Alkoxyalkane. This is the pattern that is used in IUPAC naming of the ether, alkoxy alkane. Okay, let's we see that how to write the alkoxy alkane. तो हम क्या करते हैं, ईथर के IUPAC नेम को एल्कोक्सी एल्केन के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. लेट्स वी सी, दिस इज दी CH3O CH3. The IUPAC naming is methoxy methane. Okay, methoxy methane. Next example is the common name of this ether is IUPAC name is methoxyethane. इसका कॉमन IUPAC नेम क्या होगा, मेथॉक्सी एथेन. यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन उठता है कि हमने इसको एथॉक्सी मेथेन क्यों लिखा, क्योंकि पेरेंट चेन क्या होती है, सबसे लंबी चेन होती है. हियर द लॉन्गेस्ट चेन इज अ 2 कार्बन चेन, दैट इज अ एथेन. सो दिस ऑक्सी इज गो विथ मेथेन, इट फॉर्म मेथॉक्सी एथेन. दिस इज IUPAC नेम ऑफ दिस ether. Next example is C6H5O CH3. The common name of the IUPAC name of this ether is methoxy benzene. Okay, the common name of this is methoxy benzene. Okay, let's we see and there some special example of the benzene, that is okay. We start numbering from this. Then the IUPAC name is 2-ethoxy 11 dimethyl cyclohexane. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. 2-ethoxy 11-dimethyl cyclohexane. This is the common name of this ether. Okay, let's we see the another example of ether, that is okay. We start numbering from this side. Okay, so this is the longest carbon chain. The IUPAC naming of this ether is 2-ethoxy butane. 2-ethoxy butane. The common naming of this compound is 2-ethoxy butane. So you can write the common name or IUPAC name of the ether with the help of in form of alkoxy alkane, that is the IUPAC naming, and in case of common naming alkyl or phenyl ether. Okay, the next example is C6H5O CH2, CH3. The IUPAC naming of this ether is 1-phenoxy 1-phenoxy heptane. There is a 7 carbon, 1 6 7 heptane. This is a phenoxy, 1-phenoxy. Okay, if you can expand this, this is the there its expand form, and this oxy is added of this Langestan heptane. So we write its name is 1. This is the 1 2 and the dot 7, 1-phenoxy heptane. This is the IUPAC naming of this ether. So students, I hope that all of you understood that how many types of the ether, means what is the classification of ether, and how can give the common name of the ether and IUPAC naming of ether. So I hope that all of you understood, and I am requesting to all of you, please see this video carefully and note down the examples in your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.